I don't.
How do you get
Okay.
the home?
I don't know.
What? Should we count to 3?
Yeah, practice.
1.
Okay. No, see, it was too much time.
Right.
That's okay.
Too much pressure. Woo! You're getting down to like 90%. 90%.
I wonder if I can go in the other. I don't think I can go in the other direction.
Same thing.
It's the exact same thing.
Yeah.
But we all go better one way than the other.
Oh, yeah.
Are you still going?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's going right instead of left.
Right.
Like, I don't even know how to think about it. Like, my body doesn't go that way.
That's what she said.
Woo!
Now I'm working.
Very nice.